Let's take one more look at Power BI. Power BI, or BI for Business Intelligence, is Microsoft's flagship reporting solution, fully integrated within Business Central. You see here. Let's go ahead and select a report just to kind of demonstrate the capabilities of what Power BI brings to the table. I have a report I've created here called Sales Analysis. So let's take a look at this report, and then let's expand it so that we can see it a little bit more easily. So with Power BI, what you get is really rich, robust visualizations of your data. And if I look down here, you can see some examples of prior period to date and current year to date analysis with some other visualizations. If I look at the details, right, I can see additional details here. Where the real power of Power BI comes into play is the ability to slice and dice the data in real time. So I've run this report, I'm looking at all of my data. Perhaps I only want to look at the data for one customer. If I select a filter here, or slicer, I'm now only looking at sales for customers whose salesperson is KS. But I may only want to also look at customers for KS who are in the gold price group. So now I've identified the customers, Canon Group and Zogix, who are Ken's customers in the gold price group. And I see here that I have a nice variance for current year over prior year for Canon Group. And I'm curious to see what specifically have they been buying that's led to this increase. Right from this line, I can drill through to the details, and I see all of their sales here. And if I click on the sales column, I can see that, wow, we had one huge sale of 50 conference bundle packages that make up $116,000. So I can kind of quickly see here, this was the big difference between this year and last year. That's just an example of the type of powerful reporting and analysis you can do with Power BI. Now, you also can quickly create, I won't go through a full demonstration of this, but I just want to show that to create a data set, you'll see that a whole bunch of Power BI data sets already exist that you can use to pull data from Business Central into Power BI. However, there's also the ability to create a new data set. A new data set can be created by a user for any data inside Business Central. Standard tables, app tables, custom tables, you can create a new data set. And if I click on this, I won't go through all the steps here, but it's a wizard style user interface where I can just click next to go through the steps of creating a new data set. Once I have that, I've got a new OData URL here that I can then go into Power BI and connect to pull that data.